During those happy times when we could periodically meet, I would be warning you about what is about to happen. What I mean is that, in a phenomenological sense, I would keep asking you to pretend that you are ancient Jews. With this, I would tell you to leave your materials at your desks and we would take a short field trip. I would lock the classroom behind us. You see, our classroom was being taken over by the Babylonians, and Solomon's temple at the front of the class was being destroyed. So we are experiencing what is called the Babylonian exile. So we have left the classroom and we are walking around the building and looking at all of the classrooms representing various nations. How bewildering and embarrassing. What happened to our covenant? We have no home, and our God doesn't have a house anymore. Let's see what another great literary prophet has to say. Take a few minutes to read what Ezekiel has to say. God, through Ezekiel, is trying to explain to you why you are being punished. You remember your idolatry and infidelity. But what Ezekiel is explaining is more than just punishment. A larger meaning is being placed on the penalty of exile. This is an example of what is called the suffering servant ideal, an example of theodicy, or meaning in suffering. It's a type of tough love with a larger ideal attached. Not only are you being punished, you are the suffering servants of God. But through your suffering, those other nations will eventually learn. Your suffering will eventually benefit the unknowing nations. They will eventually learn about Yahweh.